How to use Printful on Etsy. Hi, welcome to another new video, and in this video we are going to talk about an interesting topic, and that is how you can produce print on demand product with Etsy and you can sell it on your online store in a Etsy shop. So first of all, you can see we are on our printful.com website, and in here you can see we have various kind of option. You can see the review option. You can see furthermore if you want to research about it or if you need any kind of info from that place. So right now I will dive on the main topic. So we need to be create a Printful account to create or connect with our store. So here you can see we want to sell our product through Etsy and we want to create our product through Printful. So here we need to be click on sign up, or if you have an account then you need to be click on sign in. So I will click on sign up account and they will redirect me to this place. So here I will connect with my Google Gmail. So I will click on this option. Once I click here, they will ask me to confirm or choose my account. So I will click, then they will redirect me to the next page and I will click on continue. Once we click on continue, it will take a while and it will open our Printful account. So I will check this down and then I will click on sign up. Once I click on sign up, it will take a while and it will redirect us to the main store. So they will ask some questions to us to fulfill our all requirement. So I will select something like this way. What's your main goal in your Printful? So I want to sell online, so I will check this on. Then I will check this one. Second, do you have any online store? Yes, I have a Etsy store, so I will click yes. Then they ask for how many e-commerce order do you get in per month, so I will choose 0 to 15. Then they are asking me what kind of product we are going to sell here, so I will choose accessories options. Then how we can hear about them, so I will choose YouTube. Our Printful account has been completed here. So here you can see we are on our Printful dashboard right now. So now I am going to discuss about how you are going to make a print on demand product. Then you need to be connect with your Etsy account. So the procedure is really easy, just follow my process step by step. So first of all, you need to be create an account. Just click over here start, or you can go with this option in the left corner, product catalog. Just click over here. They will give you further more option where you can choose your product list. Like they are giving us all kind of product various, and you need to be click one that what kind of product are you going to sell on your Etsy shop. Like you can sell men's clothing, you can say women's clothing, you can say kid and young clothing, then you can say different kind of thing you want. So I could say that will be phone accessories, the back cover. So I want to sell print on demand back cover so people can customize like them. So I will click on phone cases. It is a demanded product in online right now, that's why I choose this one. As you can see here we have some option, so I will click this one. This have top potential, so that's why I choose this one. Once you click on here, you have the option to create products template. Just click over here. Once you click over here, they will give you a edit template where you can edit your product like yours. So here I will click on this option. You can see in the left corner we have various options in here. We can add or upload images. Just click here and save and close. Now you have the access to upload an image from your computer. So I don't want to upload any image through my computer. I just want to add a text that will be my company logo, and my company name is wesimple.com. so I will type wesimple. Then I will change the color or font if I need it. So I just want to change the font in Akea Kandaka. So this looks really nice, and I will reduce the size and I will locate it here. Then I will add some clip part. So here I will click here and I will choose the basketball, and then I will reduce the size again and I will place it in the left corner. So it's look really nice right now, I think so, as my views. And second, I will again further more option that will be diamond. so I will locate it in that place. I hope it will be look pretty much gorgeous for me. So after completing the design, I can add further more option here. I can upload my images. I can upload my favorite person image here also by clicking on upload option, and I can click on quick design option. It's a great option where you will find out some template where you can place it in your design. So it is also, or I can say it's also a good initiative as a non-designer person. So I think it might be look really great for now. So I will click on set to template. Once I click on here, they will redirect me to this place. So where you can see our product price already set 13.95, and we can change our product name through 3 dot button. If we click here, they will give me option to rename. Just click here and I will give print on demand PDF POD and then dot, and now it's looked really nice, so people can understand it is a print on demand option, so they can make it or order it. Now you can see that our cover looks really nice, and then we will click on add to store. Once we click on add to store, they will ask me to connect our store. So we don't have any store yet, so we will create a Etsy shop for using or upload our products on Etsy shop. So just click here connect store, and then they will give you option where you are going to place like the platform. Like I will choose the platform, and they will give me option here. You can see connect to an e-commerce platform. So here I will click on connect option. Once I click on connect, they will give us this place, and then I will click on Etsy. Once I click on Etsy, they will redirect me to Etsy shop. Here you can easily create your account like your mail or with your Gmail account. So I just want to continue with my Google account, so I will click over here. Once I click over here, they will give me the same place before we visit it. So here this is the simple process. I hope so you will complete it perfectly. Then they already completed our store in Etsy.com. They already give us a message. I just want to read it, that an application would like to connect your account. So yeah, grant access. I will click on grant access. Once I click here, they will give the options. So now you can see our store has been completed. So now we can place our design to our Etsy shop, and people can buy it from Etsy. Etsy is a platform while various kind of people from globally connected to each other, they purchase product from that place. So it is really popular platform, I can say, compared to other platform like Amazon, like Alibaba. It is really global thing right now. So you need to go to Etsy shop. Once you click on Etsy, you can see your store has been completed. You need to follow some simple procedure to complete your store perfectly. Just click on that place, open your Etsy shop. Just click here. Once you click here, they will give you some form where you need to be fulfill little step here. Just click here, let's do this. And once you click here, they will ask some question, what brings you to Etsy? I am just starting to sell our first time ever, so next, or you can skip the question. So I will skip the question till now, then again I will skip the question. Start your shop. It is really easy. Anyone who know little bit experience about online or internet, he can create his online shop here. So it is so much easy. So you need to be save and continue. Once you click on continue, select a country. So I will select United States. Then I will click on save and continue. Once I click here, they will ask me to give a name. That will be very simple. And now it's complete. Save and continue. Once I click here, it's totally complete. So here I need to click something like I will give a category accessories or phone case. It will be okay to give a phone case. You can see already suggested as some category, so I will choose one. Then I will click the physical item, who made it, I did, what is it, I finished the product. And this way you need to be fulfill all the things they will ask you, and then they will ask similar kind of question. You can ignore it, just leave it and click save and continue. Once you click here, they will ask some other kind of stuff that you need to fulfill. Let's fulfill it in the video. So click on save and continue. It will be redirect you to next place. So I will give the title here. So let's fulfill it and then we will see you in the main topic. So as a result, we already connected our Etsy shop with our Printful. So right now we need to add our product. As you can see, we already get an update that our store is connected with our Printful. So right now we can easily add our products to our Etsy shop. So I hope you understand how much easy that was, and you can easily conquer this process if you follow this video perfectly. So let's give you an example, such as add product. Once you click on add products, you have the option like similar way. You need to be click on accessories, and whatever you're selling, just click here and you will need to be click that product. And once you click, just click over here and you will get the option to add. I will click on bestseller option. Once I click over here, they will give me option to edit here. So I will add some clip art, and then I am just going to make a simple design so watching you. So that's why I will continue. Then again it's take a while and that it will be complete. So now you can see that our product mockup has been completed. So I will choose mockup from here. Now you can see that our product has been completed. Now we will be click on continue. Once I click over continue, they will give me all necessary things here by own. Now I will click on again and they are asking for submit to store in Etsy shop. So it is really easy process. Don't take it difficult way, take it just easy way and try it. Once you try it, you will understand the process, and once you will understand the process, then you can easily add your further products in your Etsy shop, and you can easily sell those products Etsy, and you can earn a decent amount of money from Etsy. So I hope you will found out this video is really helpful for you, and if you found out this video is really awesome for you and it help you throughout the process, then just hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. And as you can see in this video, we are get this message that's congrats on adding your first product on your Etsy shop. So it is really simple process, don't take it harshly. I hope you will be understand the process simply, and till then, have a good day.